John Juan Jonathan, contender of Mr. America, is dropping in. He's using the step down, no problem. Oh, big pull, it's up. Didn't saw that coming. It's still steezy. Oh, no problem. Secret, but now he's like pushing through. Another backflip. Easy stops that shit. And when we see it off again, yeah, we see it. Shut the front door. That was a fucking winning run. Is he happy with the result? I think so. I fucking think so. He's shaking the hand. That's nice. Is he masturbating? Is he celebrating? You fucking never know. But this man is ready for a party. And where's the party? Of course, in Input.
Okay, which brand do you like best? Shrek or Special Ed?
Definitely Shrek.
Shrek or Verboten?
Verboten.
Verboten or Bona?
Bono.
Bona or Kuminkul?
No, Bona is...
Bona. Okay, Bona or Sandy Bruce?
Sandy Bruce.
Sandy Bruce or Valley?
Sandy Bruce.
Sandy Bruce or Shimanbro?
Shimanbro. It's about equality.
Shimanbro or Scam?
Shimanbro.
Shimanbro or Inbusi 69?
Imbusi 69, definitely.
Inbusi 69, very best.